welcome to Waltz hobby lesson. Here we will explore basic figures, interesting developments and choreographies. And now let's welcome our wonderful demonstrators, Romance and Violetta. And today we will look at interesting figure, which is left whisk continued by twist turn and standing spin. So man starts with right foot back to side and crosses. Now from this position we untwist and then continue standing spin on a right foot. We finish in promenade position. And now let's look at Romance and Violetta. They will show us left whisk, then twist, standing spin to promenade position and finish in promenade position. Very good, let's do again. And 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2 and 3 and 1, 2, 3. Very good, and now we will continue this small routine with chasse from promenade position. So we start with left whisk, then twist, standing spin to promenade and chasse from promenade position. Very good, let's look again, this time with count. And 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2 and 3 and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3. Very good, and now let's focus on first part of today's choreography. So we will start with preparation step, then we dance natural turn 3 steps and running spin turn. Very good, let's look again, this time with teaching count. One, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3. Very good. Now after a running spin turn, we will continue with outside change and quick open reverse. So we dance outside change, quick open reverse from promenade position, and we finish here. Very good. Let's look from opposite angle. And 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3. Notice that man should dance 2 heel leads from promenade position. And now let's put together 4 first bars of today's choreography. So we dance preparation step, then running spin turn, outside change to promenade position and quick open reverse turn. And now with teaching count. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3. And now let's put today's choreography together. So we start with preparation step, then we dance a running spin turn, outside change to promenade position, quick open reverse turn, left whisk, twist into standing spin finished in promenade position, and chasse from promenade position. Very good, let's look again, and this time with teaching count. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2 and 3 and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3. And now to music. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta, and special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching, and see you in the next dance videos.